Let's look at one more passage where we will compare and contrast turkeys and chickens. Thanksgiving is just around the corner, and many of us will be having turkey on our tables along with stuffing, mashed potatoes, cranberry sauce, corn, and many other goodies. Yes, turkey is the favorite bird to be cooked on Thanksgiving, but do you know anyone that eats chicken on Thanksgiving? Turkey and chickens share many similarities, but they also have many differences. First, they are both birds and provide nutritious protein for humans to eat. Both birds lay eggs, but their eggs are different colors. Turkeys lay brown eggs while chickens lay white or gray eggs. Surprisingly, chickens can fly, unlike the turkey that does not fly but can swim. Both birds call their females hen. The male turkey is called a gobbler, while a male turkey is called a cockerel or rooster. Turkeys, for the most part, are reared or raised for meat, and chickens are raised for both meat and eggs. If you saw a turkey and a chicken, you would be able to tell them apart by seeing that a chicken has a feathered neck and head, whereas a turkey does not. Whether you have turkey or chicken or anything else for Thanksgiving, I hope your holiday is gobbles of fun. So we are going to go back to our Venn diagram where we will compare and contrast turkeys and chickens on the next slide.